Manipur's rich and diverse historical heritage spans over 2,000 years with several significant milestones including 1. Early settlements. Manipur's history dates back to the early 1st century AD, when the indigenous people, the Meiteis, established the ancient Meitei Kingdom. 2. Vaishnavism and Hindu influence. In the 18th century, Manipur became influenced by Hinduism, particularly Vaishnavism, as the Meitei king, Pamheiba, promoted Hindu practices and traditions. 3. Anglo-Manipur War. In the 19th century, Manipur faced British colonial expansion, and the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 resulted in Manipur's annexation by the British Empire for independence and merger. After India gained independence in 1947. Manipur became part of the newly formed Indian Union in 1949, following the signing of the Manipur Merger Agreement. 5. Statehood. Manipur became a full-fledged state of India on January 21, 1972. 6. Insurgency and modern challenges. Manipur faces ongoing issues related to insurgency, ethnic tensions, and demands for greater autonomy. These challenges have shaped the state's recent history, with the natural beauty of Manipur complementing its cultural and historical narratives.